How to clean up iPhone storage. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the General option and tap on it. Inside the General menu, tap on iPhone Storage. If you look below, it lists all installed apps, showing their usage size. Scroll through this list to identify an app that is taking up a significant amount of space. Now, tap an app you want to remove. Tapping on the app opens a new screen with two options for freeing up space: Offload App and Delete App. Tap on Offload App. This deletes the app itself but keeps all of its documents and data safely on your iPhone. This is the best option if you plan to use the app again in the future. After a moment, the screen updates. The Offload App button is replaced with a Reinstall App button, confirming that the app has been successfully offloaded and the storage space has been freed up. Following these steps, you can easily clean up storage on an iPhone.